Hello learners, bonjour aux apprenants and welcome to Learn French with Likiza. Today we will be looking at the French prepositions of place. Prepositions of place are used to indicate the location of something or someone in relation to another something or someone. But we also have some prepositions of place which have additional uses in French. I'm now going to list some examples of the French prepositions of place. But before I do so, if you haven't yet, please like the video in order to enable it to reach many, and also subscribe to the channel. So what are these prepositions of place? We have un, derrière, sur, à, devant, vers, avec, entre, dans, and chez. Let us now look at some sentences with these prepositions of place. We have Elle habite en France. She lives in France. Quand je suis arrivée, il se tenait devant le magasin. When I arrived, he was standing in front of the shop. Le chat se cachait derrière le rideau. The cat was hiding behind the curtain. Nous allons bientôt à Londres. We are going to London soon. Le train se dirige vers Nice. The train is heading towards Nice. Tu viens avec nous? Are you coming with us? Elle était assise entre ses parents. She was sitting between her parents. Elle a mis les oranges dans le panier. She put the oranges in the basket. Le sac est sur la table. The bag is on the table. Can you come up with a sentence in French using the preposition of place, chez? Write it in comments. In the next lesson, we will be looking at the French prepositional phrases of place and also the French prepositions of place which have other uses. If you enjoyed the lesson, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and share. You can also support the channel by becoming a patron today and to also unlock exclusive posts that you'll not find elsewhere on my teaching platforms. Or you can also buy me a coffee today just to support the work that I do. I am on Instagram as @LearnFrench with Likiza. All the relevant links are in the description box. À bientôt!